Hello and welcome to day 3 of Module 4 of Unit 2. Today is Thursday, October 15th. This is also the last day in our week and in our Module 4. Let's see what we have for today. First, you will watch this video. Then you will click Async. We have several activities for today and for this weekend. So you are going to do the first activity, which is in your textbook. You will complete page 27, sections B, C, and D. You will take a picture and upload the picture in the comments and click post. Make sure your picture is clear. Your next async activity is a Schoology discussion post about a job search. You can use Indeed or any other job search website you know, and you look for a job. And you will give us some information about that job. What is the job? Where is it located? Why are you interested in that job? Be sure to read all of the directions before you post. Be sure to check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation before you post. The third activity is a Nearpod about the problem solution essay vocabulary. So this semester we will write a problem solution essay and you are going to learn some of the vocabulary before we begin. You are familiar with Nearpod. We have done them many times. So you will have your name, you click join lesson, and you will read and take notes, continue to read and take notes. And at the end, you have a quiz, and then you are done. Your next activity is Spark. Remember, you need to read at least 2 Spark articles every week. Finding a new job in your field. That is the article that you are going to read and do the activity. Be sure to read everything before you start this activity. Then you are going to do a job search deliverable. This is your deliverable. So what you will do, read everything first. Okay, you will look back at what you need to look at when you are looking for a job on page 26. You can go to Monster or Indeed, and then you'll open the document by clicking on My Document. So I will open the document so you can see what you have to do. So this is an example. You're going to pick your top 3 jobs. What is the job title? What is the location? What is the shift, salary, and what skills requirements you must have? You will fill this in and then you will click submit when you are finished. And that's it for your async activities. Now let's look at sync. So it is Thursday. We will meet together as a class. So we are going to do some activities with gerunds and infinitives, and we will complete a page in the book. Now, remember, we talked about doing our Spark groups. So we will meet together with all of level 6 and break up into Spark groups. So we will do the speaking activity first with the book, and then we'll go into our Spark groups. We'll give you more information later. All right, that's it. Good luck.